Hello everyone. In 2023, ECMA International released ECMAScript 2023, the 14th edition of the JavaScript language specification. This update introduced new features like immutable array methods. It means the original array will remain intact. Let's start with immutable array methods. ES-14 brings a bunch of new methods in arrays, especially if you love working with arrays. ES-14 has toSorted, toReversed, toSpliced, and with methods. Let's understand it, and we will learn these methods one by one in the subsequent lectures. First, we will go through toSorted method. toSorted method has the same signature as sort method, but it creates a new array instead of operating on the original array itself. So now I'll open up coding screen, and to get a better understanding of this new feature, let me create an array. So I'll say let ARR is equal to, for example, 3, 5, 2, 4 and 1. Here let me first show you the older sort method. So I will say ARR.sort and will display the ARR. Now let's run the code, and in the output we get sorted array ARR. But this sort operation changed the array itself. Now even if I define here a new array ARR1 to get the sorted data, and let me also console log ARR1. Now let's run the code, and in the output we get two sorted arrays, which means that the main array ARR is also mutated, although I have assigned it with a new array named ARR1. So this is what mutability is. It changes the original array. But with this new method, that is toSorted, I can create a new array without mutating the main array. Let's check it practically. Now instead of this .sort, I will say .toSorted. That's it. Now let's run the code, and you can see that we get two different arrays, means the main array ARR still remains immutable. Now let's understand one more new immutable array method, that is toReversed. Let's check it practically. So here I'll say dot and reverse, which is actually the traditional way. Now if I run this, you can see that the main array ARR is also changed. Now let me remove this reverse and just say dot toReversed. Let's save this and run. And now you see that both the arrays are different. This means the main array still remains the same, and we get a new array with reversed elements.